guys, it's Erica, and I just got a new camera. It came in today, so I just wanted to use it. I was really excited to get it, and right now I'm at a nursery, so I'm just gonna give you a little nursery tour, I guess. I don't know, I just want to use the camera. Let me know if this sounds good, because I know that was a problem before, so yeah. Look at these Crotons for $13.99. This one is also $13.99. A philodendron Xanadu, super cute, $31.99. Bunch of pothos, classic. Schefflera. Some Ficuses, pretty sure. Ooh, beautiful satin pothos. This is my favorite type of pothos. And this one is $13.99. I think that's a good price for that size. We have some aloe veras, some big ones. These are $32.99. Oh my gosh, I love these. My mythops, something like that. I can't remember. I don't know how much these are though. $3.99. I think that's a little expensive. Maybe not. I don't know. I feel like that's the price they are at like Home Depot and stuff. A starfish flower. Never heard of that. Ripsalis. Super cute little succulents. Oh, I like this one, this Crassula candy necklace. That's cute. Ooh, an orchid cactus for $7.99. Cute. Ooh, some Hoyas. We always love a good Hoya. These are $13.99. Dracaenas, lots of Dracaenas, some spider plants. I like the color of those. Ooh, rat's tail cactus. I want one of these. Of course, I don't know where I would put it. String of pearls. Calatheas. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna get one of these. It's a Staghorn Fern, and it's one of the flat ones in a pot like I wanted. Look how cute they are. $19.99. Oh, I want to buy one, but I don't think I should. But I want it. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're so soft. I'm gonna have to think about that one. I really want one, but you know how it is. There's not really enough space. $16.99 African mask. Oh, this is cute. I don't know what this is, but it's $54.99. Some Pilea. I have a Pilea, and I don't know, it's not growing at all. It's just doing really horribly, and I don't know if I should just buy a new one or keep trying to improve this one. We got the ZZ plants. I think these are good sizes. And the leaves are really growing nicely on these. African violets. Here are some sansevierias. We're here in the sansevieria section. So cute. Look at these fiddle leaf figs. We all love a good fiddle leaf fig. Oh, they're so cute. How much are you? I don't know, but I just got one on clearance, so. Some rubber trees, which we love the ruby. Oh my gosh, I want mine to look like this. So big. You guys, look at the flower. Oh god. The flower on this Maranta, it's purple. Peperomia coffee plant. I like the foliage on these. Look how beautiful this is. I love alocasias. Their leaves are so big and beautiful. This one is $69.99 for this gem of a plant. Back here they have a Peperomia, no sorry, oh my god. Back here they have Alocasia Low Riders, which I want one. And they are, let me see the price. They are $14.99 for these low riders, and I really want one. Look at these. Goldfish Plant. Peperomias. These are really big. I'm so bad at taking care of peperomias, so mine do not look really big and beautiful like this. It's really sad actually. Look at these. Oh my gosh, I really want this one and this one. Wow. Those leaves are so pretty. These are such happy little plants. The Rosso, mine definitely does not look like this. It looks like it's dying, which it probably is. It's living the saddest life. Some variegated peace lilies. Look how pretty these are. Okay, so there were a lot of plants in there that I wanted. Like the Staghorn Fern, and I wanted the Ripple Peperomia. Alright guys, well that's it for today's video. Nothing really happened. I just got this African violet fertilizer because I want mine to bloom. I have that one that I got on clearance. So want it to bloom soon. And yeah, I post new videos every other day, so feel free to subscribe, like the video if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!